In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can update any software on your Windows. So if you want to update any software or programs or applications on your Windows, you can simply go to any websites to download any software updater tool. But also, I'm just going to show it to you for some of the applications or programs on your Windows like Google Chrome, Firefox, and VLC Media Player or Microsoft Edge, okay? So because these tools or these programs or these applications doesn't need a tool to be updated, so just simply go to the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now maximize it. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. Scroll down and click on settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find About Chrome. Click on that. So once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update the Google Chrome browser. But in my case, I still have a pending restart. That's why I faced the error. But in your case, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so that is about Google Chrome. Now go to the Windows search bar and type Firefox. Click on it under the best match. Now click on this three lines on the top right corner. Click on the help button, click on about Firefox. So once you click on about Firefox, it will automatically check for updates, and now it will state that Firefox is up to date. So once updated, we just need to simply close this. Also for Microsoft Edge, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge under the best match, maximize it. Now click on the three dots. Simply click on help, and here you'll find about Microsoft Edge. And the same thing, it will update itself, or this will automatically check for updates. And now as you can see, this is updating Microsoft Edge. Okay. Okay, so once this goes up to 100%, then Microsoft Edge is updated. Then for VLC Media Player, just simply type VLC in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match. Now you'll find here help button, click on that, and you have here check for updates, click on that. And now you have the latest version of VLC Media Player. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can update some of these softwares on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.